chicken neck with cabbage for today's foodums. Sauté onion and garlic. Put tomato and the chicken neck after. Add chicken cube. I add vinegar, ground black pepper, and a little bit of oyster sauce. I remove the sauce and stir-fry the chicken to add flavor. When it's slightly brown, put back the sauce and a little bit of water. When it boils, put the cabbage and simmer for 5 minutes. All done, ready to serve. You should try this easy and affordable recipe, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Follow me for more upcoming videos. I'm starving. Let's eat. Bon appetit!